Hey beauties! Today I'm creating this stunning Europea-inspired glitter eye look. Let's get started. Applying concealer on my eyelids to create a smooth the bright base. Now I'm talking a light blue or white shade on blending it gently all over my eyelid for a soft dreamy effect. Next, I'm drawing a sharp black wing liner, make it slightly extended for that dramatic European style. Now comes the most iconic part, glitter tears. I'm applying it downward like a sparkling teardrop. To make it extra glam, I'm placing teeny rhinestone around the outer corners of my eyes. This instantly gives that European sparkle vibe. Finally, I'm applying mascara to complete the look. You can also add fall lashes if you want more drama. And that's the final European makeup look. If you love it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.